Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to solve the equation 3 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. We'll begin by letting x equal sine theta. Plugging this into our equation, this gives us 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. We then factor this equation, so we have a 3x and we have an x. We need a 2, so this we'll put the 2 here, the 1 here. We need a minus 7, so both of those are negative. This gives us 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, and it gives us x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 1/3, and then x is equal to 2. Let's now replace x with the trigonometric function. So x was equal to sine theta. So this gives us sine theta is equal to 1/3, and sine theta is equal to 2. Once you get used to solving these, you don't really have to go through the step of replacing sine theta with x. You can jump right to factoring it directly as 3 sine theta minus 1 times sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. In our second step, let's make a note that theta is equal to arc sine of 1/3 for our first equation. And then for our second equation, let's notice that sine theta is greater than 1. And sine theta can never be greater than 1, so we're going to have no solution for this equation. When sine theta is 1/3, it's positive, so theta is going to be in quadrants 1 and 2. And then as I mentioned above, because sine theta is greater than 1, we're going to have no solution. In our first quadrant, theta is going to be the arc sine of 1/3. When we put this in our calculator in radian mode, this is equal to 0.3398. In our second quadrant, theta is going to be pi minus theta sub r. So this gives us pi minus 0.3398. We'll squish it in here. So this gives us a value that theta is approximately 2.8018. For all solutions for theta, theta is approximately 0.3398 plus 2n pi, and then theta is approximately 2.8018 plus 2n pi. Between 0 and up to 2 pi, we get a value of 0.3398 and 2.8018. And we'll remind ourselves n is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.